Hey guys, it's Kyle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be solving this very rambled, very puzzling Rubik's Cube. As you can see, nothing special about it. I'm going to try and attempt to solve it in 5 seconds. If I will solve this Rubik's Cube in 5 seconds, probably you guys can subscribe in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so let's get on with this crazy video. So I just solved this Rubik's Cube in actually 4 seconds. So here it is, all 6 sides. It says blue, white, green, and yellow, red, and orange. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe. Bye. Whoa. I forgot to announce someone and shout them out. So her name is Maddie I'm so sorry. Her name's Maddie Simpsons, and she suggested in my next video tomorrow to ride my Great Dane, Xena, so thanks for the advice, and tomorrow I'll be doing that video, and I'll suggest you and shout you out that video times 2. Bye!